Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. We got a little sneak peek here. You can see some irises. Today is the unboxing of the Sterling Ink June kit, and there was a little mix-up with customs in the United States, and the July kit ended up getting shipped out before the June kit because of customs and manufacturing, and I don't know the whole story, but I think Catherine from Sterling Ink did such a great job of sending out lots of emails and letting us know when the kits were arriving. She offered refunds. I chose to still get both of my kits, even though the June one was delayed, and that's okay because I just love her items. So let's open this and see what's in it. So we've got this beautiful brown craft envelope and the Sterling Ink debossing in gold, and then it comes in a brown. It comes in a cardboard mailer, so it's safe from the elements. Look at that. Okay, that's an amaryllis. So first we have these beautiful vellums. They're nice and thick. So we've got some lilies, stargazer lilies they look like. We've got some tulips, we've got the iris, looks like cosmos, and the iris. Look how pretty. Oh, calla lilies also. I really like that. It's gorgeous. And then we have the same flowers with the ephemera. And we've got some pale turquoise there pulled in, or aqua. Some stripes. It's very pretty. Then we have the monthly vellum, and I like to tip this into my A5 Sterling Ink vertical planner. In that same envelope, we have the numbers for the month, and then we have our dates. Beautiful. Next we have our stickers, and I'm seeing a theme, I believe. Looks like a taxi cab. Taxi cab with the florals. And recently the May kit, I think it was from Graceful Muse Papery, was New York City, and the simple paper for June was also New York City. It was Central Park, so that's kind of, I wonder how they all came about that. Anyway, we get these nice little envelopes, and if you do any type of like journaling or anything, these are really nice to use in your journals. Beautiful vase of calla lily. Here's our freebie. It has a telephone and a typewriter. Very cute. I think that's a city street. We've got our June headers, our June tabs, our June sticker for the month. This is the washi paper because that's the kit I get, and then the beautiful cardboard square, and I put that in the front of my planner. We have florals. We have typewriter. We have layered stickers, the car, the florals. There's the phone again, different car. There's a perfume bottle in that sticker. Very kind of, it feels retro and funky and just the right amount though. It's very cute. Here's our sticker with some architectural interests, some individual stickers. I really like this kit. If you would ask me, I would have been like, I don't know. But getting through it, I like it. I like her color combinations. Got a living room with the phone. Looks like maybe an office or a library. The front of the house, brownstone. Office with the typewriter. Here are some more flower bouquets and the cityscape. Look at the sunshine in that sticker. The details are incredible. More architectural. Oh, I just want to go visit those rooms. Look how pretty. And here are these two are identical. You get two washi strips. There's a horizontal. And then we have our days of the week with the little extra florals from the kit on some of them. Right, to recap, we have days of the week, our two washis, our large architectural and florals, layered architectural, variety of stickers, layered stickers, florals, our square, our June sticker, our tabs, our calendar header, our freebie, beautiful calla lilies, our taxi with the florals, numbers for the month, dates for the month, our June monthly vellum with ephemera and the florals. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.